Hello engineers, there's a recruitment update by Cabinet Secretariat. You can see this. It's a recruitment for the post of Senior Field Officer and they are giving you an amount of 1,25,000 per month. It's a very big update coming up from the Government of India. You can see all the candidates below 35 years of age can apply for this post. The posts are released for the subjects of computer science and information technology. 7 vacancies are there. For data science and artificial intelligence, 5 vacancies are there. For electronics, communication and telecommunications, 7 vacancies are there. And for geomatics engineering, 1 vacancy is there. The subject wise gate paper required is for computer science and information technology, you need to appear in gate CS. For data science and artificial intelligence, you should have appeared in data science paper. For electronics and communication engineering, you should have appeared in EC paper. And for geomatics engineering, you should have appeared in geomatics paper. One thing I would like to tell you here is the shortlisting of the candidates is done through the gate score, and that too a valid gate score. All the candidate who will be applying for this post should have minimum of 50% gate score, that is gate score of 500 and above can only apply for these posts. After applying for the post, the merit will be made based on your gate score and then the students will be called for an interview. The final selection of the candidates will be gate score plus interview score. All the details are mentioned here. You can see it's a pan India posting. It's a field posting first of all. So they have clearly mentioned that you have to be mentally ready if you are applying for this post. In order to apply for this post, you can see the application form is attached here in the notification. You have to fill in the application and you have to send it to this particular address along with the required documents. Like you have to send 10th class mark sheet, 12th class mark sheet, your degree, and then your gate score. And you have to send it to this address, post bag number 001, Lodi Road, Head Post Office, New Delhi 110003. And last date for the receipt of application is 25th of May. So make sure you apply and send your application only offline mode before 25th of May. Your application should reach before 25th of May, right? So for looking more about the details, you can just go through all the required category certificate formats are attached here in this. For example, this is for format for SC/ST category certificate. Similarly, for other category certificate also, all these formats are mentioned here. You have to use this format and apply for this post. Only offline applications are eligible. You need not to apply online. Okay. So this is a very important recruitment coming up almost for all the branches. So keep a check. And if you have liked the information, don't forget it to share with your friends. Thank you for watching.